Hey everyone, this is Nick Montoya from the Volt Per Octaves, and I don't usually post videos like this, but it seemed a lot of people were inquiring about how to fix the Pro 1 keyboard on the later models past serial number 8500. The keyboard has these horrible style contacts which I don't think were used in anything before or since. As you can see, once you get the keyboard out and take the keys off, what you have to do is peel these contacts away from the point they contact under here and clean both sides, that side and that side. You have to do that for all 3 octaves of keys. Each has their own strip. It's kind of like trying to peel 2 pieces of Scotch tape apart from each other. So what I did was I got my wife's blow dryer and heated up this surface, because when you open it you'll see it's like this. And if you look very closely, it actually peels up like that. But I recommend heating this surface up for about 60 seconds or a minute and a half with a blow dryer first. It makes it easier to peel this whole surface back, because again you have to clean the little round silver dot you see and the dots on this side. And when you're peeling it back, you have to be very careful not to rip it apart, because all of the traces for the circuit are embedded in the plastic. So if you rip through one of them, well, you have a project ahead of you. So be very careful. If you're not sure about how to take the Pro 1 apart to get this far, really easy. You just take the wood panels off, take the 2 screws off of each one. Those will pop off, and then there's 3 screws in the front. One there, one there, and one there. And then you can take this whole piece apart from the rest of the keyboard chassis, and as you can see, there's 4 screws that hold the keyboard in from the bottom. Let me back up here. You can see that's the bottom of the keyboard where the feet are, and there's 4 screw holes that hold the keyboard in. And then you have to take all the keys off, of course, to get to the contacts. So I hope that helps.